Hello everyone, I am a 17-year-old teenager who has made a whole lot of money from YouTube. Like my monthly recurring revenue for most of the time is $9,000 to $8,000 per month. This is my monthly recurring revenue on average. And yeah, so the niche I'm going to be showing you today is a niche that, in my opinion, has gotten a lot more competition but is still in the phase where you can enter the market. Now, personally, this person's slipped use of AI in this certain niche is pretty pathetic in a way. So I do condemn it, but the money he's making is shit ton as well. So the views gained in 7 days is about 71,000 and it's on the decline for now. The subscriber, on the other hand, have been 76k and people are subscribing. On this channel, I had seen this channel before, so it's not a new thing. So an estimated monthly earnings for this guy is 1.3k per month, and that's a shit ton of money. And the reason for this is his average video length, which is 185 minutes. Again, a lot. That's a whole ass movie. So yeah, and upload frequencies as well, 5 uploads per week. Again, that's why he's using AI, but his use is pretty worse. But again, shit ton of money. So yeah, this is the channel I'm talking about, and he has joined in June 6, 2025, not that long ago. And again, his views are, I guess, 27, no, 27 million, I guess. Yeah, 2.7 million, I guess. 2.7 million. I do not have my glasses right now, so forgive me. But yeah, 2.7 million, I'm pretty sure. And let's go from the popular. See, 376. Yeah, this is the video most people would have seen. I want love. And his this guy's video are just AI talking. So he generates most likely from AI Google Studio, where he generates a voiceover, and he just puts a Minecraft background in front of it, and that's it. He's done for the day. So let me just show you an example. I hope that this does not give me a copyright and stuff. But yeah, let me just play you some of it only. I do not know that if it would be bad for me to show it. But yeah, yo bro, are you okay? 5 hours of just venting is crazy. Silence boy, between recommending this Valentine's Day for me every single person as well. And see, this all people are actually believing this is true. And right now we are at a certain level where AI voices, most people cannot tell what an AI voice is. I don't know, but at least we have gotten into an age where 30 plus people, like people who are 30 and older, cannot really distinguish between an AI voice and an actual voice. Like I personally can see that it's an AI voice. Let me just show you.
Creeps in later when life slows
I
down and
think
you
you can
finally
listen
have
to it.
time to
Yeah.
reflect. When the noise
So
fades and you're left.
and that's what his whole thing is. He makes an AI uh, background voiceover and then slaps it on and makes a video. So let me just show you what I mean. So first he will go to AI Studio. Uh, Holy, this is so slow to type. AI Studio. I should have brought my mouse here, but anyways. So he goes into AI Studio and generates a voice Google AI Studio, or you can go to 11 Labs as well. Choice is yours. I'm not gonna chat all that. So yeah, you can go to 11 Labs. That's your first time. Then You go to non-copyrighted gameplays if you can find some, or you just make your own gameplay, and then that's it. Then second step is gameplay, and finally you are gonna do something called editing, which again is not too much in this niche. All you've got to do is gameplay and plus the voiceover, and you're done. Like that's completely it, and you will be earning like a whole lot of shit ton of money. The only thing in this is most speed generators have a limit on generation. So yeah, but if you have two accounts at least, you can easily make this. And personally, I don't think this niche in itself is a person itself is a good person trying to exploit this, but again, there are people wanting this, and if you're willing to be the one to supply that, that's all right. Yeah, my duty was to show you a new niche that is in the market and has a demand for it, and I'm showing you that. My work's done, and thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Hope you make some money. Bye bye.